Alright, so we got a Galaxy Eyes tin. So my friend's gonna open it. Fuck you.
Can I have a pot?
No. How do you follow your video?
Huh?
You said you sold your tin for $10.
I want to.
You want to?
I'm getting rid of it.
Yeah. We're gonna buy this crap. That's some good. Right here. That'd be good.
Let's start it off with this one.
Cool decks you could make. You could make. They have black ones.
Oh, I feel something.
Maxi.
Maybe. No.
Oh! Stupid goat. No, I'll show you where the money was. It's in my binder.
Ooh, I feel something.
You always feel something.
I do.
This is the important pack.
Oh.
Oh no.
I feel something again.
Black Wings, TG, X-Series, Black Thorn, Dark World, Gadget, Glad Beast, Photon, Chaos.
Oh.
You smell a...
No.
Ooh,
Rhino.
That'll be our 5th Rhino. Alright, tour guide. Right now. Fun gal.
No, I'm not feeling it. What the heck is this?
It's like a $1 card. Not bad.
Okay.
Alright, Livier. Let's go.
Livier in here?
Or Roach.
What's that?
Feel something.
Oh, okay. Roach. Please, that's something else.
You never know.
Whoa.
Oh no! Not right there.
Oh my god.
This is the worst crap ever.
I got O fish.
Oh, that's better than this.
Oh,
Oh, it's so bad.
can I have it?
You can rip it.
No! I'll do this up.
Or you could wipe your ass with it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no. Alright.
Oh well.
Alright, so that's it. Bye bye.